All right, I just got this from Costco for $29. It said you can test it just like this. Now watch how bright this is. We're in a lit room right now. I'm just going to do the test. So it shows you the step downs and then like that emergency thing. And that's the light, man. It's crazy. So let's unbox this thing if we can. I mean, they got it in here, man. They got it in here. So we may have to clip it, all right? All right, so here we are. I had to get some scissors. Yep, they ain't fooling around. Oh, got it. All right, now I should be able to get it out of here, right? Oh yeah, bam, done. All right, so there's the box. And I think there's something in the bottom here, like down here. So we got to check that out. But here's the light. It comes with this little top case, which I guess you could keep that on there to protect the thing. But let's do the test again so you guys get it. Whoa. Whoa. That is unbelievable. All right, so it's 5,000 lumens. All right, so here's your start button, and it's, this is in the mode for when you're at the store, so you can fool around with it. I think what we do is we unscrew this bottom part here, and here's the lithium battery. So pay attention. See that side? That goes up, and this is the bottom. And it charges with a USB-C. You follow me? So if you look in there, there's your contact, right? Negative contact. So it goes like that. Got to get it in there. Got to fool around. Then your lithium side goes up into the flashlight, like this. And then you just screw her on. And once you're on there, you're good. And then I don't think there's any other buttons you have to push. But this should work now. It should just be regular style. Yep. So once you do that, I opened it up and I released it and then I set it back in. Now it's ready to go. Woo! Man, that's strong. Then I go to see, that's 3. So you know where you're at. Here we go. Let's change it. There's a change. That was 4 and now it's 3. Then it's 2. Then it's none, right? If I press it again, I think it's going to like blink. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you got to press it and hold it. No? I wonder what the heck's going on here. Where's my blinkage at? It's not giving me the blinkage. Oh, here, look at this. So you can widen, or you can make it wider, or you can make it like more narrow, the beam. So let's try it. We'll point it over here at the TV set. Okay, so there it is. Now let's make it wider. See how it's getting wider? Move that out of the way. Yeah, now I'm going to make it smaller. You ready? So yeah, that's it right there. Let me go a little closer here so you guys can see. So here we are, and we go wider, and then we go smaller. Bam, that's it right there. So yeah, so that's kind of like the features on it, and now we just got to see what they put in the bottom of the box. Okay, accessories inside the box, right? So down here is the accessory box. So don't throw this out because you got this thing here, right? So let's see what we got in here. Let's unbox this bad boy. Check it out. Oh, wow. Well, they do give us USB-C to USB-A. And you get, oh, look at this, Xfinity card. So if you want to get some Xfinity, I guess you can do that. I don't know. I think they call this, Infinity. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of the cable company. But anyway, you guys can QR code that. There's the back of it. Let's put that over there. And so we do get another battery, but it's not the same. You can see it's got all this stuff in it. So you do have that, right? And you can plug it in and you can change these batteries if you need be. Like if you can't get this charged because the electricity's out, you can use these type of batteries, which is pretty cool, I gotta say. You might want to keep it in the box so you don't lose it. So I'm just gonna put it back down in there and we'll hang on to that. Okay. And this is our charger here. So we need to go ahead and charge it. Now it does have an adapter on it. This is interesting, check this out. So you get this, but look, you wanna just go USB-C to USB-C, bam, Bob's your uncle. You wanna go USB-C to USB-A, you got it right there. So your choice, depending on your block, right? It does not come with a block. So, you know, like most stuff now, they just don't want to give it to you. So now let's go ahead and charge this bad boy up. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook it, pop her off, and all we've got to do is insert the USB-C here, and then plug it into the into the socket with our USB-C to USB-A or C. It depends on what you got. All right, so I'm just going to use this one here. I'm going to smush it in here, right? And then we'll take this, we'll plug this in here, right? Just like that. Okay, it's in. Now all we got to do is just plug this into the wall. You follows me? Like right here. All right, so now we're plugged in, and if you look, you're gonna see there's like a little blue light on that. So that's telling me it's charging. So we'll just let that sit there for right now, and then we'll come back to it in a little bit, and we'll put it all back together. How's that sound? One more time, you can see the little, I think you can see the little blue light there, yeah. So we'll let that charge up, and I don't know if you wanna touch this end. You know what I mean? I don't think you wanna touch that end, all right? But yeah. All right, so we came back. It looks like the light is out. That means I think this is fully charged. So now we can put it back inside of our flashlight. All right, so we just gotta unplug it here, right? And Bob's your uncle, that's done. Then remember, this end goes in. So slide it right in there, pooching. Then you're gonna take your cap, remember, goes on like this, right? And you gotta twist it a little bit to find exactly the positioning of it. Because when you go to put it like that, it won't work. So it's got to go on a certain way. And then when you turn it, you're ready to go. Now we've got flashlight. Woo! Woo! All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.